Hello, today in our science lesson, still on interaction and interdependence, we are going to talk about changes in the environment. Changes in the environment. Now we've talked about respiration and photosynthesis. We've got to see how they depend on each other or one another. We've also talked about food chains, we've talked about food webs, and then we've seen how toxic substances can accumulate in food chains. Today, as I said earlier, we're talking about changes in the environment. So let's start by knowing what an environment is. When we say the environment, it is the immediate surroundings of an organism. The immediate surroundings of an organism. Or we can say the environment is the surroundings or conditions in which a person, an animal, or a plant is found. So the immediate surroundings of this plant is what we call its environment. The immediate surroundings of this plant is what we call the environment. So it is made up of two main things. One is the organism itself, and two is the organism's surroundings. So one is the organism, two is the surroundings of the organism. We can also call the organism's environment as its habitat. Habitats are places where organisms live. The fish lives in the aquatic habitat. That is the place where a fish can be found. Trees are mostly found on the terrestrial habitat. So when we say the environment, we're talking about an organism and its immediate surroundings.